Hello everyone. Tonight on PPW, Portsmouth Pro Wrestling, the tag team PPW Portsmouth Pro Wrestling Championship belt are finally on the line. The loser, if the Red Villain Alliance lose, if Redbird or Red Sun gets pinned, remember the Red Sun ain't gonna be happy, and one of them might get thrown out of the faction. That's right. Red Sun or Redbird, if they lose this match, one of them might get thrown out of the faction. I don't know. And here comes the number one contenders, Chris Golden and the Golden One. The Golden One's going to be facing Eddie Adams for their PPW Worldwide Championship. But here comes the Red Villain Alliance, Redbird, and and Red Samurai himself as they come down the aisle defending their tag team championship belts will be on the line tonight as both of these walk down the aisle defending their gold. Now both of these two, they are your current PPW tag team champions, but they are putting them on the line tonight. That's right, they are going to be defending them, and there you have it. They are both standing getting ready to defend their championships. The Red Samurai telling Redbird to start off first. Oh, Chris Golden taking him down, picking him up. What's Chris Golden doing? Oh, Chris Golden with the clothesline. Oh, Chris Golden, look at the strength taking down Redbird. Oof, a punch to the head. Now this tag team, these tag teams are going to war for the PPW, for the PPW tag team champions. Positive Pro Wrestling titles are up for grabs tonight. One, on a kick out. Oh, look, did you just see that? Chris Golden with a clothesline and another clothesline. Oh, Chris Chris Golden is just taking the fight to his opponent tonight. Chris Golden. Oh, one. Oh, and a kick out that one. Looks like Redbird is going to tag in Red Samurai. And Chris Golden being a face, a nice guy is letting him tag in. Oh, his partner. As you see there, Chris Golden went straight for Red Samurai. Red Samurai reverses it. These two are just going to war tonight for that championship, the tag titles. Oh, it looks like Redbird got back in the ring and got out. Oh, Golden One is demanding, is asking to be tagged in, demanding the tagging partner to tag him in because Golden is getting beaten up. Oh, Chris Golden with the angle slam. One, two. Oh, red, red samurai able to kick out at the last split second. Chris Golden turning his attention to Redbird now. Oh, right on the canvas, hardest part of the ring, and he just punches Red Samurai, sending him down. Looks like he's gonna put him in a leg lock and try and snap his leg right here, right now. As you can see, he's trying to snap his leg, but Red Samurai able to reverse it. And Red Samurai's getting fired up. Oh, well, these two are going to war tonight for that championship. Oh, Chris Golden now getting in the ring. What's he doing? He's going to the top turnbuckle. Oh, and he lands straight on the Redbird. A kick to Redbird. And what's going on here? Looks like Golden One's seen enough, and he's coming over to get involved in this match. Now, instead of this being a tag team match, at this point I should have had it as a tornado hell in a cell or extreme rules as all these guys are putting it all out there. That's right, all four of these tag teams going to war. Did you just see that the Golden one did the running roundhouse to Red Samurai. All four of these people were just having a hell of a match tonight. Oh, looks like Chris Golden is going to try and snap Redbird's leg, but as you can see, Red Samurai is not going to allow that happening to his tag partner. Oh, Chris Golden's sending him in over to the Golden one, and it looks like the Golden one's going to get tagged in. They send him off. Whoa! Oh! Oh, right to the back. Couple of serious shots. The Golden one's gonna go airborne. Oh. Oh, kick to the gut. Another kick to the gut. Whoa. Lucha Rowe, the Hurricane Runner jumping off the roundhouse to the Red Samurai's head, takes him down as the Golden one takes down Redbird. He's gonna go to the top ropes. What's he gonna do? Oh, a spinning move taking out Redbird. Redbird is out cold. Now the Golden one going to take out Red Samurai, but Red Samurai thinks one step ahead, taking his opponent down. Oh. Jumping DDT, able to take his opponent down. Oh. One, two. Kick out 2. Looks like the Golden one's taking Chris Golden. Chris Golden is picking up a Black Knight. Punch to the back. Oh, and a slam. Oh. Takes down his opponent. Looks like he's gonna. Oh. Covers a serious kicks. Looks like he targeted the Golden one. Oh. The Golden one was a running leg drop to the running shotgun kick to the corner. Golden, look at the strength of the Golden one, picking up Red Samurai. Oh, and a roundhouse to the head, taking down Red Samurai. Golden one's going to the top rope. He's saying you're done. Oh. And look at that. As you see, Chris Golden's getting the ring to help his partner. Hardest part of the rope. Oh, ring, and he goes down hard. Golden one is trying to break the hand of Red Samurai. These teams are being so violent for the championship. They just go into war for the titles. Oh, a kick out. Oh. But look at that. Did you just see that? The Black Knight does moves like that. Red Samurai's doing similar moves to the Black Knight. Oh, and a couple of smashing Golden ones head onto the ring canvas. And as you can see, Chris Golden is beating down Redbird to stop Redbird from getting the ring. Oh, one, two. Oh, Golden One almost lost there. Black Knight picking up the Golden One. Golden One reverses it. Golden One. Oh, but since Golden One is draining stamina and he is injured, he can barely do much as he went for his move and sadly missed because he just collapsed from all the weight and stamina that he's been losing. And he takes in Chris Golden. Chris Golden says, Red Sun, Red Samurai, sorry, into the thing, taking him down, and he's gonna go and try and submit him right here in the middle of the ring. Looks like he's gonna try and submit him again, but he lets him go. He sends him off into the ropes. Oh, takes down Red, oh, the Black Knight reversed it. Oh, Red, oh, it looks like we got a tag. Sending him off. Whoa, Red Samurai just went flying. Oh, roundhouse. Taking down Red Samurai. Golden One's going for a pin. Looks like the Golden One picking up his opponent. Oh, a punch to the back. Golden One reverses it. Oh, look at the Golden One. As you can see, as Golden One's had a little bit of time outside the ring, his stamina is back up. As Red Samurai is just down. Can he put him away? Oh! 1, 2, oh, 3. It looks like we have our new crowned PPW Portsmouth Pro Wrestling Tag Team Champions. As you can see right in front of your eyes, the Golden Tag Team now own the PPW Tag Team Champions. They have won and brought back the PPW to their company. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. See you next one. Peace out. Bye bye.